Good evening from InvestSharp. This is Randy Smotone with your Monday, September the 27th market update. On the economic front, there was no economic data out today, but we did have a few M&As, which I'm sure you all have heard of them with the Southwest Airlines and AirTran and Unilever and Alberta Culver. On deck tomorrow is the monthly U.S. S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and we'll get the monthly U.S. Consumer Confidence number out at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. The dollar, gold, and oil were up. Nothing up much. A lot of it was mostly flat. Silver, copper were down. Again, not much movement there either. Light sweet crude futures were up 3 cents to settle at $76.52 a barrel. So taking a look at the dollar's still hanging here where I've got this little bit of trend line support. Volume actually picking back up today on the dollar. Take a look at the point and figure for West Texas Intermediate Crude. So we are, you can see here, we've got this triangle, so we're either going to break out higher or we're going to come back and break to the downside possibly, but we definitely got this little triangle working. Let's go take a look at the Dow. Dow closed down 48 points to 10,812. S&P closed down 6 points to 1,142. NASDAQ closed down 11 points to 2369, and the Russell closed down 3 points to 668. The Russell held up the best, being down only 0.41%, and the S&P was the weakest, down 0.57%. And you know, I mean, we're up at this resistance, and you know, I mean, this could be like a rising wedge pattern. Who knows? Maybe we break down and fall down from here. But the market's holding up fine. I mean, you know, we're not even half of this large bullish candle, so I mean, I don't know, we're still holding up fine. Have to wait for the market to show its hand. Same way here, still holding up. Definitely have resistance here, but the market continues to hold up. Didn't even make it to the halfway point of this bullish candle, so. Still looks fine, still hanging in there. Same with the NASDAQ, they all look the same. Let's take a look at gold via the GLD ETF. So it was up a whole 3 cents on the ETF. Silver was down 2 cents, still hanging tough, it looks fine. Copper pulled back some, but there's no volume on the sell side on the copper. Euro, FXE pulled back just a little bit, but it's still hanging there as well. VIX volatility index, it did pick up a little bit, up 3.82%, but I mean, you know, it's again not a big change there. You know, financials keep struggling. The XLF still right here. We're still stuck in here, and you know, MACD's slightly down, not a lot though. It's more sideways than anything else. Go take a look at the McClellan oscillator. Look at our oversold, overbought conditions. So we're you know, minus 1.88. We're still very neutral. We could you know, we're not overbought, we're not oversold. We're just, you know, pretty neutral here. So we look fine. Let's take a look at the sectors. Well, I didn't get that pulled over very well, did I? So 3 of the 16 sectors we follow finished in the green. The home construction index had the largest percent gain, up 0.66%. And the bank index was the weakest, down 1.87%. Yeah, financials are I think are the drag, and if we probably continue to get drag and can't really continue higher, it's probably because of the financials. Over to ChartWatch. Few from the watch list, a few of the new ideas too. Juniper breaking out, good volume, looks good here. Divx, huge move. Well, huge move for that size of a stock. Nice move there on Divx today with volume. Looks like it would probably want to go higher. CCME broke out above the downtrend line. A pretty large percent move as well on it. This Amerigon, ARGN, it retraced 61.8%. It's been going up ever since. Got good volume coming in. I would guess it's at least probably going to test the 12 at least. That's what it's looking at, where it's headed. Looks like that's where it's headed. NetLogic breaking out with volume today. Rhino breaking out above the downtrend line, and you know, it looks like it's pretty much in a It could be in this channel up pattern. That'll remain to be seen. Really good volume here though, but it was a huge move just in one day. SNIC breaking out. ROVI breaking higher, still looks good. Another one we've checked, PTNR. This one's lots of volume, looks good. Looks like it's built a nice base underneath it here. RDEN up around its 52 weeks highs, a lot of volume, looks good though. GBX, huge breakout, had earnings, but a huge move here. I don't know, maybe we get it to pull back a little bit, but probably some short covering there. ITC going higher with good volume. JBL going higher, still got great volume. Beezer been in this little channel and lots of volume coming in today, but it didn't move it much. There's a big battle going on here, but some of that might have been market weakness towards the end of the day. PBY, Pet Boys, big break higher. CGO looks like it's trying to break out of this channel it's been in. RMBS, Rambus, nice move on it today. Zoll Medical breaking out. POL, another one from the watch list, breaking out with good volume, looks good. MGM breaking out. TRW, one of them that we're in, breaking out. VCI breaking out of this triangle pattern today and with really good volume. OMCL, it had a big volume move today, so it needs to break out a little higher here, but I like the pattern, like the triangle that it's coming out of. Texas Roadhouse, another triangle, lots of volume coming in. And RSTI, another one that looks like it possibly a double bottom here, almost a triple type bottom, and it's still holding up pretty well. Didn't move much today, so it still looks good. Let's go take a look at the current market signals. So we follow the point figure chart for the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P, and there's no need to look at these. They didn't go anywhere today. The market didn't move enough. So still on buys. Everything still looks great, and that is really all I have. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching.